Bese kuzoba uMini-ke, khumbula isitori sikaMini-ke no Precious, and then kwafika uLondilandani. Angisazi isitori sikaMini what was the problem. And then she's like, oh yeah, when she joined the show, she didn't want those things ukuthi vele actually she didn't want to join the show because she had reservations ukuthi nje abantu yonke into bayascrutinize nje bathi baningi mina. Vele that's exactly what you did with her, because we just felt ukuthi awasisi wena uqala wabhuliya Precious manje usubhizi noLondilandani. What's the story? Were you told by the show to be this person, or you are actually this person? Yabo ukuthi end up asifile ukuthi unjalo. So apparently on the side we never saw that ama-camera kuthiwa bengekho uxolisile kuLondilandani, because my thing on the review, remember I did say ukuthi hayibo, did she say sorry kodwa lo mama lo? I doubt ukuthi she said sorry, but yeah, but she did say sorry kuLondilandani. Asazi mhlawumbe uLondilandani usazobe asitshele na ku-Instagram or ku-Twitter or wherever ukuthi no, actually she did apologize usisi lo. Bese kuzoba uJojo ke benoBhubebe, they were so cute. Oh my word, kwi-premiere Shaka uLembe. Ayibo, we're cuting ngathi kosami uJojo, and the uBhubebe loves Jojo, guys, like you've never seen before. Akezwa next ngoJojo wakhe. Akafuni nje ukuthi uJojo aphatheke kabi uBhubebe. After phela they broke up ke good relationship, so they were given an interview there nje bebuzwa ukuthi okay sisi wena mawubuka ngaba ubani umuntu ongeza yabona azokwenza i-reunion. Wathi hayi mina bengivele ngifuna bengiyifunela uMbuyiselo Vilakazi. Ngikhumbula uMbuyiselo Vilakazi, he knows a lot actually about better than us by far when it comes to reality shows. Futhi especially ama-housewives, he always nails them. He knows exactly what he's talking about, and uyazi before things happen ukuthi kwenzakalani. So even if it's not the same, even if it's next day, it's still fine. But I like him nonetheless. So Jojo was just like, that's the person to host the reunion because he's just too good and he knows them. And he's not biased. Those were because it's not sebaxeka vele. Akakhethi enye into uMbuyiselo uyabathanda. So uyamazi guys, uMbuyiselo uyi-blogger. I like Mbuyiselo. Out of top 3, I think he must do it. Even if it's not the same, even if it's next day, mhlawumbe they say he's not ready and all of that. But yena uthi ufuna yena ngoba he knows them really, really well. And uthi uMbuyiselo is umngani wakhe anyways, likes him. That's the person. That is right for them to do this job. It's a pity ukuthi uNonkube se-announcile vele ukuthi akezi. So yeah, no. I mean, I've actually moved on around that. It's all good, guys. Naye uvale ngendlela hectic. Yo, ayinokho guys, inhlamba yakhe sethuka lapha idrama kaNonkube. But someone was even saying ukuthi then what must happen? Sifanele singabi nayo ke drama. Siyayinida la drama kaNonkube. I'm just like, mhlawumbe guys, bese sinathi sesikhathele, we need new faces, new people, new personalities, you know. We need to learn about other people. Mhlawumbe siyakunida lokho. Hopefully the other girls who will come to the reunion. uJojo said something about pay slip ke wathi uma ungabe ukuma Real Housewives of Durban angakhulunywa ngama pay slip. In fact fanele ungabi nayo pay slip. I was just like, you know what, uqalile now ema premiere you are being interviewed busy ukhuluma ezinye izinto manje engekho right, engangeni nawe. Wathi number 2 fanele ube ne husband or be divorced because that's the part of the requirements for the show. But mina my thing is that vele I've always said mina ukuthi nje understand when I said uNonkube ubuyelani noma wakhe. For example uma kaNonkube ufuna uyi-Real Housewives, I mean I've always said ukuthi fanele ube ukuthi ushadile guys, ngena. That's the whole point. Angithi Real Housewives of Durban is what it's supposed to be like. Ukubona le nto le. But most of those people abashadile. So I'm just like, I'm confused. Ukubona. So she nailed it there. He was talking about something ayazi yona, mhlawumbe into futhi abatshelwa yona kushow. But bayafika abanye bangena abangashadanga guys. Or you had a husband before you are engaged. But uNonkube abanendoda kudala wayeshade ngo-1912. Uyabona leyo nto leyo. But she's been on the show. Khona into engitshela ukuthi uJojo might come back ngo season 6. You know why? Because remember when it started and uBhubhe wathi wena thatha le phone ngizofona mina actually ngifanele uSoshosha, fanele uxolise kuSoshosha, mina ngikwazi ukuthi no Uncle Viv singakhulumisani indaba yakho. Phela uBube guys is smart. Bube is looking ukuthi lalela nginayo imali but anginayo imali engake ka Vivian. uVivi has money, old money, real money, hayi indaba zokudlala. Wathi ngeke manje ngingabe nama business deals ngendaba yonkosikazi yami lo futhi ofika obuye afuna ungathengisa ama paintings angafuna ukusebenza ngenze next. So ngeke ngize ngikwazi. I need that money. So I think they are coming back. Benobube. They need to be on the show because they need to have money forever. Ngiyacabanga guys. Hey guys, eMzansi kuningi ya. Hey, nako phela manje kuthiwa uKhomozo Ramano, yamazi ngithi uYouTuber uKhomozo Ramano wayumngani ka Sinegugu lethu baxabananga those people. They drifted apart. That's how I put it. Guys, bayaphela phela umngani. We drift apart, we see other people, we see other things, we just don't see eye to eye, and it's fine. And then there were stories about the relationship crumbling and whatever, or iphela completely relationship yabo. There's just too many stories about the relationship, which is just like childish, you know. And I made a video about her complaining about the relationship. I was just like, you're still talking about it? Stop. Just move on and leave it. Xoxela abanye abantu ukuba ungakhulumi la ku socials. It's fine because manje kuba sengazi you are a victim and uyakhala. Please stop crying. Ukubona lonto le. So I was saying ukuthi uKhomozo Ramano umngani ka Sinegugu and uYouTuber ke nje eyaziwayo la on these circles ama YouTubers. So usisi ngathi there's trouble in paradise yena nendoda ngathi akuzwaniwa to a point where she's taking out their photos from Instagram and labantu bashade about 5 months ago. Now this KZN men ubonga and then bathu sisters akasafaki nema wedding bands wakhe like mainly nje i-wedding ring vela akasayigqoki. Hey, so uningi abantu bayanotice akaze sikasi kuboneke konke ke lokho, but I haven't seen nami uKhomozo Ramano even her channel. I haven't even checked it. Because sometimes you don't really have time to consume. Ucabanga ukuthi you have to create. So uyabona ukuthi it's a bit hard. Hamba ulunguzana nento zabantu. So I'm just like, yo, I wonder what's going on. Although bengifeel ukuthi it's too soon, ngiyawuthanda umshado wabo and all of that. So things are coming out now ukuthi engathi indoda yashitha futhi feel kube kanjalo vele neni case. And there were stories about Ubonga at some stage ukuthi Ubonga wakamashu in case at the end noma shiya ingane lapho akayinakile lezo ingane. Kukhulunywa lento leyo ukuthi they like acting. NoSinegugu bamfaka lapha ngithi akhumbula nendoda angazi he had a relationship with someone from UCT. They were childhood lovers, mhlambe, let me put it that way. And then use-acting ngathi akaze nengane in his life, this guy, and he had 2 children with some lady that they went to school with. Asidlule lapho sikhuluma ngithi kahle hle ngobonga thina ukuthi wayiningane ezu2 naye, enye yalezo ingane ngathi yayi disabled, uyabona. And then lezo ingane akasayinakile, use-actor sengathi nje these are the only girls she has with Khomozo. Bamdansa ku-Twitter immediately after their wedding. But sayibona ngumuntu esezenza fresh, ingathi nje yena akazazi abe nengane in his life. These are the only 2 girls that is ever had. Kanti anjani amadoda kwasho kanjani, kodwa abafana bayafana. I was just like, hey guys, bazokudonsa ku-Twitter. Wayikho futhi into abazoyenza ngawo except for to mop with you. So ikanjalo ke guys indaba ka Khomozo Ramano ibhlungu. I'm just like feeling like ngathi bangahila and then bayakhulumisana kube khona sometimes uzofeel ungathi no, it's actually a dream. But manje ayisekho ithombe ku Instagram ziphi ezomshado, uyayibona leyo nto.